There's exposed wires coming off of the pumps. There's overgrown vegetation. There's broken concrete, broken glass. There's chemicals. It's not some place that you would want to explore or be there. The Bridgeport gas station was a corner gas station that was abandoned. It's been out of service about 12 years. It, was an eyesore. It really represents undeveloped potential for that community.
If this is your first look at Belmont County, this is usually what you're going to remember. And so from a safety concern on so many different aspects, this was a very big thing.
An abandoned gas station would have tanks underground, piping, things like that.
And found out that tanks were decommissioned improperly, that there was groundwater contamination from our phase 2. So by leaving those tanks in the ground, it's just putting more bad chemicals into our ground. We need to get them out, and we need to get that moving so that we can make this place a clean, environmentally safe place to live.
So we're removing all the contaminated materials and then refilling it with clean soil. So it will be a clean slate for future redevelopment.
And that was through Ohio EPA. Had they not been a part of this project to start with, we would not have the funds to do all of the things that we've done here. So we couldn't have done this without them.
The community is very excited that there's no longer this dilapidated building, no longer an eyesore on the corner of the street. Future redevelopment is very exciting. This project was great, and we're looking forward to the rest.